So there is no light in here, and this is the catch-all disaster closet, where like all the tools when I'm doing DIYs or doing stuff in the house is. That may not change much, but this shall, because I'm just tired of everybody just throwing stuff in here and not hanging it up like it's supposed to be. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. So most of the stuff, scarves and stuff, those are mine, but they're hung up. But this right here, we getting ready to clean up all this, and he's getting ready to get all of his clothes and put them upstairs in the closet. And this will remain a coat closet / closet for me to store my hair that I have in bulk for my clients and stuff like that, because it's hard for me to get to what's important because everything is being pushed in this closet. And that's my rack for braiding. I don't want it to get broken. This is my chair for my clients. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. I just know that it's gonna be done, and you guys will see the before and after. It's kind of small for me to try to get a camera in here, but I'll try to get some footage and then just show you just something satisfying and to help motivate you to get into a space and clean it out as well. So yeah, I'm probably gonna tackle this one and mine upstairs because this is not a whole bunch to do, but I'll show the before and afters of both of them and just what we're tackling during us being in the house on a stay-at-home order. So enjoy. Yes, I'm listening to Tony Braxton, and this is some of his stuff that he's gotten out already. All right, this is all the hubby stuff that's going out of the closet. All right, getting it out, getting it out. Oh, it looks so much better with a little bit of light coming in. Okay, guys, hold on. I had to switch it up. That was too slow. I needed some upbeat, so I'm just playing some dance music. And yeah, so I'm gonna definitely organize this. And yeah, so since wintertime is over, I'm gonna try to get some of these coats out of here because I want one company, well, you know, when we're not quarantined anymore, they can have a place to put their coats. And it's just like all types of stuff down there that needs to probably go in the basement or just be organized a little bit better so you guys can see a little bit better. That's a winter hat. What I will recommend, hold on, this music kind of loud. What I will recommend is when you're doing a closet, take all the empty hangers and put them in one spot. And I do have a lot of hangers. He got to bring them down when he brings his clothes down. I mean, when he hangs his clothes up. That way you can see what's empty and not have to shuffle through your hangers looking for your clothes, looking for a hanger. That is so irritating to me. So I always try to take hangers that are empty and put them in one space in case there's a hanger that's needed for something. So let me take this out of here as well. Some more of the hubby items that I found, sweaters and stuff right here. Okay, I took those two out. Not sure where we're gonna put these. These are trays that hubby and I used to use in the living room to eat, and I actually just ate on one the other day, eating my seafood, watching TV over in the corner. So yeah, these are really great trays to have, and they come in handy, but we need them to be easily accessible because in here they were not. One of the most irritating things about this is when you have so many little things that you just keep tossing in the area and you don't know where to put it, and it's kind of frustrating because you don't know what to do with it, and it's just like you just keep shuffling around. So what I would say is, if you don't know where to put it, you have no use for it, or you don't know anyone that wants it, after you ask some friends or family members, do you need this, do you want this, you know somebody who need it, put it to Goodwill or put it in the basement in a box to prepare for a yard sale, because that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start preparing some more boxes for a yard sale. Y'all know I have done 2 since I've been here so far, but it is another one in plan because I have a lot of stuff that I need to get rid of. So continue watching. This is what we're looking at, and I took the tote out, and mind you, I have flooring for in here. We have not did this. This is how our kitchen floors used to look, guys, for those of you who have not followed our complete journey of gutting and renovating this home. And it's still like a lot of renovation stuff sitting around in so many places, and still a lot of stuff we have to do. I have the flooring for this. I just never put it down. See, that needs to go with the Christmas box, along with, look at all this mess I put out here. That it's a lot of stuff that needs to be put in its place, and that's the problem. Being lazy will get you cluttered spaces like this. You know, I try my best to put stuff in certain places, but when you have family members who don't abide by that or try to stay organized as well, it's kind of frustrating leaving you doing what you're doing right now, is decluttering and clearing out a space. We should be able to go into our front door, which we can't, because all of this stuff was in here cluttering. Gotta remove that. That's to that mannequin head. But definitely I want to get all of this stuff out of here, and also just make it more easy accessible as fabrics and stuff that does not belong in here. So yeah, just continue watching. So most of it is cleaned out. This is the light fixture that I bought, oh my gosh, over a year ago for the outside. So this is gonna stay up here. I'm gonna start putting back the stuff that I know I'm gonna keep in here. Everything else, I'm gonna decipher through it and get rid of it. So let me set that there. This tote is definitely going back in there. See, here's another random box of stuff that just get tossed anywhere. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to go through this box. Gosh. All right, so I'm gonna be washing these here, and tucking them away in the winter stuff, and then those are gonna go back in the closet. The ones that I feel like I want to keep, probably the wooden ones and the metal ones, and get rid of the plastic ones. We don't need all of those. And then I'm gonna unload this box right here, declutter it, figure out what's all in it, and you're gonna see this sped up to get all of this mess cleared up. Then I'm gonna do the basket, and that's basically it, because these are all the things that were just on the floor just randomly. So let's get through this. So what I'm doing, I guess I'll keep these ones right here. I had a whole bunch of them, but I got rid of them because these pop easily, especially if you have heavier clothes. They're not worth it. This store, Coldwater Creek, was going out of business many years ago, even before I moved here, and I bought all these wooden ones for like really low prices. So I'm gonna get rid of these particular hangers. These are my IKEA hangers, so I'm not getting rid of those. These are some really sturdy hangers. This actually needs to go upstairs in my room. So it'll be just the wood hangers, and these metal ones that I bought some time ago are gonna be down here in the coat closet. And one day we're gonna redo the coat closet as well, as far as painting and, you know, all that good stuff, just to refurbish it and get it like it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna take these two hangers off. All right, hold on. bloody stuff needs to be cleaned out of this. And this is all the random stuff that needs to be put up. Everything else is put away. So about to, hold on. Okay, I had to cut the music down. So it's just poster board that needs to go downstairs. This needs to go with my celebrations and birthday stuff bag. It's like decorations that I didn't use for my 40th birthday and some other things. Those are going to Goodwill. These need to go with the blinds that we took down. This is my little sister that got killed that I tell y'all about. Yeah. And these I'm gonna take upstairs just to, I don't know if I'm gonna use these, I might not. We really don't need door stoppers. I thought we would for certain stuff, but those can go in the basement or probably Goodwill or to the what is it called, yard sale pile. These can go to yard sale pile. I can't use these chargers anymore. These go to that pole thing, that curtain rod thing. And that's basically it, just random stuff. That blood and those little skeletons going in the Halloween bag. That's going in the Christmas bag. This is going to go in the Goodwill probably, because I don't think I have any cabinets I want to use that on. And that's basically it. Everything else is kind of like trash. This is going with the spray paints downstairs. Those are going in the garage with the bike stuff. But everything else, that is it. And that is what we have left. And this stuff is getting ready to be put away. Hubby's taking stuff downstairs and putting it away now. And this is it. So let me show you what the closet looks like. Dun, da, da, da. So yeah, I put the table in here so we could put our games on there. And I'm so glad we're getting our collection back up, because I don't know what happened to all our games during the move. Like, all of them are gone. Like, we have none. So many things was missing during this move. Then I have the other table here, the air hockey game on the side. My traveling stylist bag is right there, and then all the like sweaters and stuff that we can wear still in the spring here in upstate New York. These are packs that we never use. Well, I actually think I used, didn't I? I think I used mine. No, I didn't. I bought these a while ago, and these are actually packs for when you walking or exercising, you could put water in them on this area, and it has like a sipper thing that you put around your neck. Bought those a couple years ago. We haven't used them. Over here is my chair, my stand, and my table that I put the stand on, and that's it. So now you can walk in. If somebody comes to the door, all I gotta do is slide it out the way. It looks nice and clean in here, and that is the before and after. I hope this was inspiring. Now, for this, hubby is getting ready. He said, don't worry about this. He's gonna straighten this stuff up. So it's not really bad, but yeah. Yep. That's it. It's just, I couldn't think straight with this stuff looking like this. Like, I couldn't get in here. It was just so atrocious. And yeah, soon we will be hopefully blessed to you know, continue to get the house done. I don't know if it's gonna be this year, next year, whatever, but we know that it shall happen one day. But yeah, I just wanted to be clean and be able to get in here. So yeah, all right, later gators.